So guys, I want to put together some stew very quick, and here I have my tomatoes. This is my pre-cooked minced beef or ground beef. These are some peas. I do have my spices. I'm going to use thyme, black pepper, don't mind, and paprika. So another thing that I will use is some carrots, some garlic, and okra. Not a lot, just some pieces. This makes the difference, guys. And some bell pepper. So I've already started my onions. They are frying, and I'm gonna put my tomatoes. Now that my tomatoes are cooked down, I'm going in with my chopped garlic and then my spices, then my carrots, then my okra. I cut them into very small tiny pieces, then followed by my beef already cooked, then my capsicum. I'm going to let it cook down for about 2 minutes. Look at that beef broth. The peas are going to come in later. Now that it has been boiling for a while, I'm going to put salt and add in our peas. I'm gonna let it simmer for about 2 minutes, and that's it. Guys, it's ready. I'm going to eat mine with rice. You can eat it with anything that you want, and don't forget to put the okra. That's what makes it taste better, and it's a dish you can throw in after coming home late from work quickly, as long as you have these ingredients. It's just chopping the onions and the carrots, the bell pepper, those small ingredients, and you can add any spice that you like. So the spices, I did put a teaspoon of each, a teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of thyme. Not really much. I am not much into thyme. I did put half a teaspoon of it, and sorry about that, about